Have you ever cooked a recipe like from a cookbook or like a TikTok? What about Google? Well, today I'm trying Google recipes. The first recipe is 5-minute mac and cheese. 1 cup mac and cheese, 1/2 cup water, a pinch of salt. Alright, so I added 1 cup of mac and cheese, a 1/2 cup of water, and a pinch of salt. The next thing I have to do, I think, is to warm it up for about 3 minutes. Alright, now we gotta add some cheese. Okay. I did everything that the video said. Alright. I don't think microwave mac and cheese works, guys. I took a little bit of a break. The next recipe is a chocolate mug cake. Alright, so it has been microwaved for way longer than it was supposed to be, and it's still not like cake. It's like kind of watery. So I put it in the fridge to hope it would maybe kind of stop from getting all liquidy and boiling. So I'll check back on it in like 10 minutes. Alright, it looks like this. I think that's a like 50% success, 50% fail. Alright guys, if you want to see another video like this, subscribe.